A few hours after Hurricane Melissa struck, I hopped on a helicopter and I flew across the island, hugged the south coast, and turned northwesterly to look at the damage caused by Hurricane Melissa. To best understand the impact of Hurricane Melissa, I draw the image in your mind of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima or Nagasaki in Japan uh, to end the World War II. Some of you may be familiar with those images. The younger ones may not. I encourage you to go and research it. It's much easier today to research these things than it would have been during my time. And you would see the incredible devastation, not just to buildings and structures, but to our forests.